around, men. Oi! We all grieve for the captain. Those Barcelona warships are still out looking for us, so we'd better get this over with. We all know what to do, so throw in your swords if you're vying for captain. Then we vote, all right?
You must be joking. If Duke were captain, we'd sail off the edge of the world chasing beautiful butterflies. He'd sell our ship for a cargo hold of roast turkeys. You know he would.
I'd make a good captain. Captain Amerigo said so.
Oh, you big oaf. He said you'd make a good capstan, not captain. Of course, you can pull up an anchor better than any piece of wood. Though you ain't much smarter.
Oh, no.
Now, Duke. Before you kill the lot of them, don't you think you need them? To sail the ship, I means. Hey, true. We could stand to lose a few slaggers, but most of them we need, right? Listen to old Slewface. We'd love to make you captain. Really, we would. But you're just not a true swashbuckler like our dear departed Captain Amerigo. Yet, that is. If you want to be voted captain, you have to have all the skills and traits of a true swashbuckler, right? Just like Captain Amerigo.
Right. Like what?
Well, for one thing, you need to be a suave ladies' man. You remember how all the wenches and ladies flocked to Amerigo like tiger shark to chum? Remember, huh? Oh, how the ninkin princess almost swooned over Amerigo right in front of her father. Remember that?
Yep. Barely escaped.
Right, right. We barely made it out alive. So, Duke, while we repair the ship, I want you to go into town and woo 3 ladies to prove you're a true swashbuckler. You know, captain material. Prove you have that suave demeanor, you get me meaning. We'll postpone the vote till then. How does that strike you?
Make 3 women swoon?
Oi, get them to fall in love with you. Use your wit and charm. Should be no trouble for a strong, handsome lad like yourself. Then just bring your 3 new lady friends back here to, vouch for you. And we have a deal, right, matey?
Deal.
Oh, you have my vote, Slewface.
And mine.
Yes.
Aye.
Well, glad that's settled. We just need to make quick work of the repairs before he realizes I just sent him on a wild goose chase. You think you were mad a minute ago? It'll be nothing compared to how furious it'll be when he finds out he's been duped. Now I've asked all of you, get to the repairs. I'll look after Duke.
Then, where's to after repairs?
I have a lead on some lightly guarded lucre. A vast hoard, matey, the likes we've never seen before. It's...
What's wooing again?
You won't find out here. Get walking!
Why 3 women?
You have to live up to the reputation of our dear departed captain.
He was a dashing gent. Where can I meet lasses? I've only been to this island once. All I did was buy limes.
There must be at least one tavern that welcomes women.
You know, I don't talk to women well. I spent me life with a bunch of blokes at sea. When villagers see me, they run screaming.
You're not giving up, are you?
What? Nay. Why does our crew care?
They need to know you're suave, resourceful, and courageous.
I must become a mighty swashbuckler. I just don't see how this will make me captain.
It's what you agreed to, all right? Woo 3 women, become captain. Don't try to figure it out. You're muscle, not brains.
Enough talk. On with adventure. He be well groomed and smelling of hickory and spice. Ahoy! I be Duke.
Oh, welcome. I'm Chief Charlie Burns, the fire chief, barbecue chef, and honorary mayor.
Fire chief on so small an island?
Well, they needed one after half the town burned down in a 3-alarm blaze last year.
Arson?
Out-of-control barbecue fire. Anyway, nice to meet you, Duke. And my firemates can't stop talking about you.
You know of Duke Grabowski?
You're the biggest guy I've ever seen. Ever thought about being a firefighter?
No time. I must woo 3 ladies and become a real swashbuckler to earn the respect of me crew and get promoted to captain.
That's a pretty big agenda. Well, most people just ask if they can use the facilities.
Oh, and I need to use your facilities.
Sorry, the little fireman's room is for barbecue guests only.
We've got flaming urinal cakes, too. Great firefighting practice.
If you're looking for a hot place to meet ladies, try the Gnarly Narwhal. Talk to Bob, the bouncer.
You're honorary mayor?
On account of how I know just about everyone on this island from my cookhouse. I'm hoping for real mayor someday. Oh, but Sheriff says I have to cut back on my charcoal-related brush fires to less than once a month.
What's going on in Bodacious Bay?
Let's see. The wine auction? No, that was last week. There's a saucy female spy on the run. A barge pulled up with a crying noblewoman. And the governor's new fiancé arrived.
The governor loves our honey glazed ribs.
Oh, last time I cooked them over the smoldering coals of the old boathouse we accidentally burned down. Gave them a nice salty bite.
You wouldn't happen to be ladies, would you?
No.
Oh, on that ship a long time, huh?
Every island's different. Just thought I'd ask. So, how do you talk to women?
We don't have to. They can't resist firemen.
Especially ones who cook. Barbecue's an aphrodisiac.
Huh. Your carefree life be tempting, but I mostly eat raw meat. Also, I can't be a fireman because I'm working me way up to swashbuckler. That's why I has to woo 3 women. Where's the gnarly wally, that place?
Oh, don't be slurring like that, or they'll never let you in.
They only admit beautiful people.
I admit I'm beautiful.
You know, I think violence may be the better option in your case. Head to the pub on the bridge. Or just give up and join the sad barflies at the Ben Plunder Inn, home of the maggot burger.
Any other place to meet ladies?
Jail? The town sheriff's pretty smoking, but she's out of your league.
She's deep?
She has 20/20 vision,
There'll be girls at our barbecue.
as long as we don't burn down any more shade trees.
I must woo 3 women.
Yeah, you said that.
'Tis the only way to win over me crew and command their respect.
That may not be the best way to choose a leader. But it does sound like a great way to break out of your staid buccaneer lifestyle. Face countless challenges and learn a bit about life along the way. Or at least get slapped in the face a few times.
'Twas a pleasure chewing the fat with you.
I'll tell the folks in town I'm using a new dry rub. The secret is Cajun red pepper and honey.
Thanks. You still got some on your chin.
Oh, looks good, eh? Nothing like freshly roasted pig.
That be no pig. That's a happy bar, jungle rat.
Oh, still delicious, though.
Hey, I need fresh breath for wooing.
It's fine. Just don't eat the bladder. Oh, it needs a few hours to cook. We have to kill all the worms.
Ugh.
He looks like he'd be serious about his cooking.
A barbecue is serious business.
Ahoy there!
Not now.
Don't talk to him. Can't you see that firefighter's only inches from a dangerous flame that could burn wildly out of control?
I think that fire be no threat to anyone.
Oh no, the meat, mate. One false turn on the spit by Yeoman Webby there and our roast is overcooked.
Barbecue's an art.
If you have any questions, you better ask me.
Shiny.
She's a beaut, isn't she? Never been used.
Being a firefighter is heroic, but not strictly swashbuckling. Looks like you're expecting a lot more people.
Aye, there'll be a good turnout. As soon as folks are confident we got any errant blaze under control.
Nothing unusual. Buckets, rain slickers, and hundreds of jars of Chief Burns 3-alarm spicy barbecue sauce. San Bandejo Fire Department. You light 'em, we fight 'em. He looks a little charred around the edges.
Juniper Black Mullet, the crusty corpse. He was a brave soul, ignoring the fires that claimed half the town as they licked at his heels. He licked the bones clean on the meat in that grill basket. A barbecue aficionado to the very end. Well, that was Captain Lowgrade, a manner with a fever for barbecue.
His clothes be tattered, burned, and stained with coleslaw.
An unfortunate accident from our last cookout.
Gigi von Fluffenstein.
We honored him by putting his corpse in one of our best grilling traps.
His last words were, "These ribs smell delicious."
Unfortunately, they were his.
Welcome to fabulous Bodacious Bay, formerly Plague Beach. Let's see, what groups are on this island? Stowaways International. They're a secretive lot. Federation of Shipboard Cats. The Lice Archives. Nothing that helps me quest. Big cats nearby. Something, something Jaguar. I see it and ignore it. I don't need it to scare me enemies. Boring pretty flowers. They await their turn on the garbage pile. They want to get sloppy. Shoo, go away! monkeys move too fast. Now I smell like monkey. Yuck. Methinks she's Sal.
Keep your eyes to yourself. I thank you to mind your manners.
I never know how to talk to lovely fruiterers.
Heave to, pirate. You're scaring me customers away.
You fancy anyone, Sal?
You can't handle all this.
What are them monkeys doing?
Disgracing themselves. They stink and drink and fight all day.
How'd them monkeys get here?
Something scared them from the jungle, and no one can persuade them to return.
Need to get rid of monkeys?
Do what you like. I don't owe anyone any favors.
Where's the bilge rat jerky?
Oh, we sold out hours ago.
Just me luck. What kind of fruits be here?
I got everything. Flumelmas, plurks, pineapples.
Never seen such tastiness.
No free samples.
Tell me again about them monkeys.
I told you. They got scared out of the jungle. Something will scare them back.
Talk later.
Shoo, shoo.
No sampling.
That's how you pirates spell it.
Yep, looks good.
It's my shop. That's what it says. Now don't block the way of my customers.
Filled with abundance. Such colorful names.
No sampling. The sign's quite clear.
Who dares to fight Queenie? Impress your friends and lovers!